we have a trig graph in this question, and it's the graph of y equals a sine x plus b. And we have to state the values of a and b for 2 marks. Now, the easiest way to do this question is draw the graph of y equals sine x. You can score this out later, and it doesn't have to be perfect because you don't need it, it's just helpful. It goes to 360. It goes a maximum of 1 on the y-axis and a minimum of -1. So you notice that the distance between the maximum and the minimum is 2. And what we call the amplitude is half of this. And this graph is y equals sine x. It's y equals 1 sine x, or just y equals sine x. And this 1 is the amplitude. It's the green. So you have to get the maximum and the minimum and find the distance, the vertical distance between them, and half it, and this gives you the amplitude. So we have 6 and we have -2. So we do 6 minus -2 and divide this by 2. And this gives you the value of a. Well, the vertical distance between the maximum and the minimum is 8, and dividing by 2 is 4. So we can then draw this. Again, I would score these out once you've written down A and B, but we now have this one. So that is 360. 0, that's 4, and -4. I know these graphs are not straight, but we get the information that we need. These don't have to be perfect, especially because the question doesn't even ask us to sketch a graph. Now, the value of B relates to the vertical shift to go from this to what we have in the question. Now, you notice that the maximum in the question is 6, but the maximum of y equals 4 sine x is 4, and the minimum is -2 in the question rather than -4. This would tell us that the one in the question has been shifted vertically up 2. So B must be positive if it's shifted vertically upwards. If it's shifted vertically downwards, then B is negative. So B is +2 because it's been shifted up by 2. And that's us finished. So I hope you found this video useful, and thank you for watching, and best of luck with the studying.